Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking Essentials, admin rights, a PIN, and the latest Windows update. Open Settings and go straight to Sign-in options. Keep Device Manager visible. If a keypad or external reader is attached, unplug it now. Once done, disable Fingerprint, then remove the PIN and re-add it. This resets key container links. Make sure to note any error codes. This immediate start clears stale credentials and prepares Windows for fingerprint re-enrollment. You now fix underlying driver and service issues. In Device Manager, uninstall the fingerprint sensor and choose Delete Driver Software to remove corrupt packages. Once removed, restart to safe mode and run system scans. SFC/Scano, then DISM Restore Health. These repair system files that block Windows Hello. Restart back to normal, then install the correct OEM driver, not a generic one, and verify the Windows Biometric service is running. This sequence repairs permissions and driver integrity for fingerprint authentication. You finish by re-establishing credentials and testing. First set or confirm your PIN, then go to Sign-in options and add your fingerprint. Scan each finger several times for full coverage. Make sure Windows Biometric service is set to automatic and running. Lock and unlock the device to validate. If Windows still reports, this option is currently unavailable. Clear the NGC key container. Delete contents of C. \.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.